Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna answer, does VIVO X300 have a headphone jack? So if you're wondering whether the VIVO X300 has a headphone jack, sadly no. The VIVO X300 does not have a headphone jack. VIVO removed the traditional port to make the phone slimmer and more modern. But don't worry, you can still listen to your music easily, as the phone supports USB-C headphones, and you can also use a USB-C to a headphone jack adapter if you want to plug in your regular wired earphones. And of course, VIVO X300 also supports Bluetooth audio, so you can connect wireless earbuds or speakers without any issues. So while the VIVO X300 doesn't include a headphone jack, you still have plenty of great audio options. Just plug in Type-C headphones or go wireless for a clean modern setup. So thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel.